Hello friends, my name is Shrikant Singh, and as you know, here I am in front of you to teach you, to tell you something new about English grammar. In today's video, I am going to discuss the use of before and ago. Friends, a lot of students are completely confused in using before and ago because they don't have knowledge about the real use of before and ago. In this video, I will tell you where to use before and where to use ago. Friends, before used in past simple tense, past perfect tense and present perfect tense to show point of time, and ago is used in past simple tense to show period of time. So friends, without delay, let's start and try to understand the uses of before first, then I will discuss about the uses of ago. Let's see. Before as adverb. Before as an adverb. It means adverb of time. Let's see. It is used in past simple tense, past perfect tense and present perfect tense. For example, I have met him before. I have met him before. I have met him before. She recalled that she had seen him before. Let's see. She recalled that she had seen him before. We have completed our homework before 10 o'clock. You never before saw. You never before saw such a giant snake. Friends, take a look in the use of past simple, present perfect and past perfect. Let's see. I have met him before. This is present perfect tense, and it is actually used to show point of time. When? Point of time. It means point of time. It means with the help of this tense, actually in this tense before is used to show point of time. When? Before. She recalled, उसने याद किया, what? That she had seen him before, कि उसने उसे पहले देख चुकी थी, वह उसे पहले देख चुकी थी. It means यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि she recalled that, पहले उसने रिकॉल किया, ये खुद अपने पास्ट की बात हो रही है, एंड दैट सी हैड सीन हिम बिफोर, और उस पास्ट से फिर पास्ट की बात. अगर हम यहाँ पे चर्चा करें तो आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज नाउ, इट मीन्स दैट इज प्रेजेंट टाइम, एंड दिस इज पास्ट. फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन सी, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अगो एंड before here, then I will describe the use of before. Let's see here, and here you can see take this is past also. अगर in the comparison of this structure I will tell you that यहाँ से यहाँ तक की जो घटना है इसके लिए हम ago का प्रयोग करेंगे, एंड फिर जब इस पास्ट से फिर पास्ट की जब बात होती है तो हम यहाँ से यहाँ के लिए बिफोर का यूज कर सकते हैं. तो आप कह सकते हैं कि बिफोर का यूज पास्ट में और पीछे पास्ट को जाके दिखाने के लिए भी किया जा सकता है. लेट्स सी, try to connect the thing. We have completed our homework before 10 o'clock. We have completed, this is also present perfect tense, our homework before 10 o'clock. हम अपना होमवर्क 10 बजे से पहले कर चुके हैं. You never before saw such a giant snake. तुम इसके पहले कभी इतना विशाल सर्प स्नेक नहीं देखे थे. As a preposition we can use before as a preposition. Look at I will return home before Sunday. Here you can see the use of before. Before actually comes before Sunday. That is a noun in this sentence. And this before is a preposition. The culprit was brought before judge. यहाँ पर भी आप देख सकते हैं बिफोर एज ए प्रीपोजिशन वर्क कर रहा है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे जज एक नाउन है. I hope you understand these things. Let's see the use of before as a conjunction. As a conjunction, as you know friends, conjunction is a word that is used to join two or more words, two or more clauses, two or more phrases, two or more sentences. So let's see how before is used as a conjunction. The crops will have dried before the rain falls. Let's see. The crops will have dried. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज फर्स्ट सेंटेंस एंड बिफोर इट इज़ यूज्ड एज अ कंजक्शन एंड आफ्टर दैट द रेन फॉल्स. दिस इज सेकेंड सेंटेंस. It means in this sentence before is used to join two sentences. Let's see the second one. The patient had died before the doctor came. Before in this sentence actually comes as a conjunction and it connects or it joins two sentences. Number one, the patient had died, and number two, the doctor came. It means before is used to show as an adverb of time, as a preposition and as a conjunction. Let's see where we can use ago. Ago is used in past simple tense, especially in the sense of gone by. Gone by means as past tense in which the things is past, जो बीत चुका है. She came to Delhi exactly 1 year ago. She came to Delhi. Here you can see this is past simple. It means the second form of the verb. Second form of the verb means past simple. To Delhi exactly 1 year ago. 1 year ago. एक साल पहले. The bus left a few minutes ago. A few minutes ago. Here you can see the bus left a few minutes ago. बस कुछ समय पहले ही गई. Time expressing words plus ago. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं time expressing words plus ago. Time expressing words plus ago. I started teaching online 2 months ago. Friends, with this sentence, try to see. I started teaching online 2 months ago. I started. Look at this is past simple tense. That is used after ago. That का प्रयोग किया जा सकता है. जिस सेंटेंस में ago का प्रयोग किया गया हो उसमें हम that का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. That is used after ago. It was 5 years ago that I met him an accident. 5 साल. It was 5 years ago. Let's see 5 years ago that I met with an accident. 5 साल बीत चुके थे जब मैं एक्सीडेंट से मुलाकात हुई. It means when I was met with an accident that day was completely past. पूरी तरह से बीत चुका था. It was 10 years ago that he started his career in film industry. 10 साल बीत गए जब उसने फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कार्य शुरू किया था, अपना कैरियर शुरू किया था. Back can be used at the place of ago. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं back is a word that can be used at the place of ago. At the place of ago. Let's see how. She came here 10 minutes back. She came here 10 minutes back or ago. Both are same meaning. I saw him 2 years back. Back means ago. We can use ago or back in replacing each other. एक दूसरे को चेंज करके वो लिखे जा सकते हैं, बोले जा सकते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, in this video I taught you about the use of before and about the use of ago. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. That's why the video what I will upload will reach you as soon as possible. Thank you.